RefWorks. RefWorks is a tool to help you manage your research. After you've tracked down your sources from databases or the web, RefWorks can help you store your articles and other information sources in a single location, accessible from anywhere you have internet access. Once you've imported your sources, RefWorks provides tools for organizing, tagging, annotating, and of course, creating citations and a bibliography. To sign up, go to refworks.proquest.com or look for the link on the Cite tab of the For Students Guide. In order to be eligible for an account, you must sign up with your official Touro email address. Next, look for a confirmation email to activate your account. Now you're ready to start adding material. There are 3 main ways to import items. If you have PDF copies of articles saved to your computer, you can simply drag and drop them to import. RefWorks will then attempt to extract the bibliographic information, populating the title, author, and other information automatically. Once you do this, a copy of the article will be available to read online wherever you are with tools for highlighting and adding notes. You can also import more than one item at a time. If you're searching in a database and find several helpful articles, look for an export option. Some databases will offer the option to export directly to your RefWorks account. Lastly, you can always add information about a source manually. Just type or copy and paste the information. Once items have been added, you can organize them into folders called collections or using tags. When you're ready to create your bibliography, select the sources you've used and click on the quotation mark icon, then Create Bibliography. RefWorks will automatically generate a complete bibliography in any style you choose, complete with the appropriate title and formatting. For those looking for additional functionality, there are several add-ons available for saving from the web and for interfacing with Microsoft Word or Google Docs.